Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to set up and send automatic replies in Outlook emails. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can sign into your Outlook email and then go to file in the top navigation here and then go to settings, and in the settings you can click account and click automatic replies. And then you can just click this button to turn on the automatic replies. And also, if you want to make it only during a time period, you can just check this and then you can set the time. And also, you can block your calendar for this period and others option here. If you want to make it always, you can just uncheck it. And then you can add the message, maybe thank you for your email, just like that, just for example. And also you can choose if you want to make the automatic replies only to your contacts. And then you can just click save and it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.